Hey everyone, Mr. Terrell here with your e-learning lesson for May the 15th. Today we're going to do a little something different. I just actually discovered this last night, and I think we can get in here kind of under the wire. But the Journey 2050, the people that put that program together, they're actually offering a high score contest. And basically, what you do is you go through levels 1 through 4 of the Journey 2050 game that we've been doing, and you try to get your sustainability score as high as possible. And what they're doing is uh, the top 10 highest scores that they receive will each get $100 or a $100 coupon to donate to a North American charity of their choice. So basically, the top 10 student scores will all get $100 to donate to the charity of their choosing. I thought that was pretty cool. So we're going to participate in this, some of us anyway. Your e-learning assignment today is to go through and replay levels 1 through 4. And at the end of level 4, uh, I want you to take a screenshot of your sustainability score uh, and what that actually is. And our top 10 highest ones that we have, I will submit to Nutrien and we will see if any of you make the cut. So I will include on the Canvas assignment a screen grab of what mine was so you can see if you were able to beat my score. And that will also let you know what that screenshot should look like. If you have any questions in terms of how to do a screen grab, let me know, but it is pretty self-explanatory. You can also just snap a picture too with your phone if you want. So make sure you do levels 1 through 4. In case you forgot, we'll drop down here and show you what it should look like. So you're going to do level 1, the demo, level 2, the nutrients, level 3, water, and level 4, economy. You're going to do these 4, and then you're going to submit a screen grab of your sustainability score at the end of level 4. And once again, you're going to try to get that as high as possible. Remember that each level is timed and that the choices that you make in each level determine what that score is going to be. So play smart and uh, good luck. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to let me know. Thanks.